please, I'm sorry for everything. I didn't know how I did it. Oh, honey, please. Baby, please, forgive me. I have something I want to share with you. Oh, my love, please. It's I don't know how it happened. Joanne, I'll call you back. I'm rehearsing. My love, baby, please. I have something I want to share with you.
Babe, stop this. Oh, stand up. I understand. You are a changed man now. Hey, babe, I enjoyed every moment to share together. Please, just
Baby,
stop.
I really need to tell you this. Please forgive me.
Babe, do you think I will not forgive you? I have forgiven you. It's okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, so lovely. I love it. Oh, babe.
Baby, the truth is that I should have been a better man. It's just
I know, just stand up. What were you thinking? Do you think I will not forgive you? I have forgiven you, my love. I have.
Baby, deep down, I'm very, very sorry.
Shh, my love. We are meant to quarrel and make up. Marriage is for better and for worse. I've forgiven you. It's okay, my love. At least I enjoyed every moment to share together, so let's go upstairs. Oh, babe, you bought me this. It's so lovely.
I'm glad you like it.
Yes, I love it. So come upstairs with me. Oh, shh, babe, I've told you, it's okay. Babe, forget about this. Let's go upstairs and have some fun. What is one of my thoughts? African Magic Epic 152. This movie seems interesting.
Madam, someone is here to see you.
Someone?
Yes, ma'am.
Who's the person?
It's a woman. She's outside.
A woman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go.
Madam, she's the one.
Good day.
You again?
If you calm down, I'm going to tell you something that will surprise you right now.
I do not want to hear anything from you. Now get out of my house.
Why do you trust that your promiscuous husband so much?
How dare you? The next time you come to my house and say such rubbish, I'm going to unleash my dogs on you and they will feed on your flesh.
You need to start getting prepared to have a co-wife. Listen, there is no husband in town and no woman is smiling right now.
Get out! I said get out! Get out! Get out!
You need to fix it or it's going to be too late. I must make sure she finds out the truth one way or the other. Men can be very stupid and careless.
What does she mean by expecting a co-wife? Is Mona planning to marry Joan? No. He can't do that. I know Mona, he won't try that. Hey. Mana akwara enwekwa uche o, akwara enwere uche.
Madam, are you okay? Ma, is everything okay?
Nana,
Ma,
can I ask you a question?
you can ask me anything, Ma. I will try my best to answer you.
Like, never mind, Nana. Don't worry, just go back to your chairs. It's fine.
Are you sure everything is fine?
Be fine.
And that's the problem. You're not fine.
You're right, Nana. I am not fine. But I will be fine. Just go back to your chairs, okay?
Okay, Ma. I'm sorry.
Why have you been avoiding me?
I've been busy.
Oh yeah? With your wife, I guess. Have you forgotten I'm carrying your child? Don't you think I need to be checked up on? Don't you think that I need some care?
Why are you raising your voice?
Let me raise my voice. I am upset, so let me raise my voice. I am carrying your child. I should not be kept
Listen,
lonely.
if you continue like this, I'm going to walk you out of my car.
You will not dare, Mona.
Enough is enough!
If this is how you speak to your wife at home, you will not speak to me like that. You hear me?
Did you just slap me?
Don't touch me. I'm warning you, don't touch me. Don't you dare.
You slapped me.
Don't touch me. I mean it. Don't come anywhere close to me.
If I touch you, what will you do?
Don't.
What?
I warned you. I want you to stay the hell away from me. Mona, stay away from me. I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry.
If I see you anywhere close to me, if I see you anywhere close to me, if I see you close to me again, I'm going to kill you.
I'm sorry I overreacted.
Damn me.
I am sorry, please. You're going to leave me.
Very good. I'm glad this happened. At least now she'll give me some time to focus on my family. Focus on my wife. Enough of this nonsense. What if she comes here to tell my wife? That means I'm doomed. Hey, hello.
Are you okay?
Yes, just I'm looking for my wallet. Can't really place where I kept it.
Your wallet?
Yeah.
Since when did you start using a wallet?
Oh no, I bought a new one. I bought a new wallet recently.
Okay, you bought a new wallet.
Oh, yes.
You don't like wallet. So did you check your car?
Yes, I have. I just checked the car and I can't find it.
Then maybe to be in your office. Don't worry, let's go upstairs now. That should not be a problem.
That's
or is
true.
there something special in the wallet?
Not really, not really. It's true. Let's go inside. I'm hungry.
Are you expecting anybody?
No.
Okay.
And you, are you expecting anybody?
No, but you know anybody can come and look for me.
No, you don't have to go there. Since we are not expecting anybody, there's no point.
I sent the gate man on an errand now. Let me just go myself. I'm coming.
Kidnappers are everywhere.
Stop this, please. Don't kidnap her.
Hey, I'm finished.
Hold on, no. Our gate man is not around. I don't understand what this will lock the gates.
Ada, the thunder that is going to fire my husband there, the thunder that will fire Ben, that thunder would destroy all of his generation.
Which one is thunder? Why are you insulting your husband like that? What happened?
The thunder that will fire my husband, Ada. The thunder that will fire my husband. Ada, the thunder that will fire my husband is still doing press up.
What is it? What did your husband do? What did he do?
Ada, I'm ashamed to say it. I'm ashamed to say that my husband got that stupid girl pregnant.
Eh? Hey! Your husband got a girl pregnant.
Hey.
Eh, honey? Can you hear that? She said her husband got a girl pregnant.
Yes, so that's what I just heard now.
Hey!
How can?
Hey! Any man, eh? Hey! Any man that tries that with me, eh? He must be castrated. They will castrate the man, like the man will be brutalized. If a man tries that with me, don't talk of my husband there, I will grind his head, like I will grind him like a tomato.
Did you close the gates? You just padlock it.
Musa is not here now. Musa is not here. I asked him to come and buy something for me. I was the one that closed the gates.
Okay, it's just for me to be aware that the gate is closed.
The gate is closed, but you don't see it. Hey! Look here. I was just shouting because my husband was here. I thought you said that you are Mike Tyson. That your husband cannot cheat on you. That you are too strong, you know how to deal with your husband. That you will use pepper to massage your husband's manhood. Abi, so what happened? Hey! I beg, keep all those your stupid answers to yourself. Don't bring that your lunatic behavior down to my house. Yeah? If you know where you took your bath, go clear your towel. Oh yeah, don't bring all this rubbish to my house again. I will not tolerate it. Not it. When you pass, not it. Hey, please hold it. Hold it there. Shebi, you say you know how to use pepper and massage your husband's manhood. Go and massage his manhood with pepper now. At least now you know my husband is not the only one that cheats. Rubbish.
But this is not why I'm here. This is not what I need right now.
It's obvious I'm in a big mess. It's obvious. Hi. If she hears this one, I'm finished. Totally finished. Honey.
Baby. Imagine that disgusting attitude from Ben. Eh? AJ is a beautiful woman. The only problem is that she's still looking for a child, and Ben has the guts to go and impregnate another woman. Eh? Some men, like, they need to be beaten brutally. Very stupid man.
Yes, sure.
Huh?
Sure.
You agree?
Men. Some men.
Huh.
Some men.
Oh, bitch. My love, I know you're not like them. I know you're a good man. I know you cannot even try such a rubbish. You are a very good man. That was what I was telling you. It was God that gave you to me. Nobody gave it to me except God. So, baby, my love, come and eat now. Let me prepare your food. Your food is ready.
Oh, no, baby. That my wallet I was looking for. Yeah. I have very important document. I just remembered. So I need to go to the office and confirm to make sure. And my ATM inside to block it.
Huh?
Yes, before someone would just withdraw money from there.
I didn't know the wallet is so important like that. I know your document.
It's yellowish brown.
Yellowish brown.
Mm. Let me go now.
Hey, but you have to eat now before.
No, I'm fine.
Eh?
Let me go. Hmm?
You would have called your secretary or somebody to help me check it.
Let me just run.
Yellowish brown wallet. I thought I saw something like that. Hey! Ben! Eh? So you left EJ and went to impregnate another woman. Some men are dogs. And EJ will be there making mouth. I will massage his manhood with pepper.
And where the heck do you think you're coming from?
I went to church.
You went to church?
Yes.
Common sense doesn't tell you that you hurry up to that gate and open it fast for me. Come on, move. We're both a woman. Come on, move. Think you can be holier than the bishop or even the pope? You can't be more Christian than a Christian. Come move. Come move. But fast!
What is wrong with her? She just keep calling.
Honey, this God you're seeing is wonderful, oh.
Where are you coming from?
Can you imagine? This country is just funny, oh. I was on my way coming back peacefully, oh. Before you know it, police pulled me over. Why will I wear a gold wristwatch if I'm not a Yahoo boy? Before I know it, they bundled me inside their car. That I'm a Yahoo boy, that I cannot tell them anything. I'm a Yahoo boy. See the way I carved my beard. See my wristwatch. See why will I dress fine? I'm a Yahoo boy. On their way going out. It's God's grace, so. One woman that saw me, that recognized me, that I'm a responsible married man. That was how they now told me to come down and leave. If not, I'll be in police net, oh. I'm telling you the fact, oh. Very stupid and lawless country, just like that, oh.
Mona, when you are true with all your lies and rubbish talk, you will tell me where you're coming from.
What's the meaning of that now? Which one is when I'm true with all the lies? I just told you what happened. Are you doubting me? Go to Postcode Roundabout and ask now.
You are talking rubbish. You have not told me where you're coming from.
Anyway, I know you want trouble and I don't have time for trouble. I'm talking rubbish.
Okay.
I'm talking rubbish. Your husband just told you what he encountered just now. You're telling him that he's talking rubbish. I'm talking rubbish. No problems. I don't have you. Did you lock the door? Eh?
When you're ready to tell me where you're coming from, I will open the door for you.
Meaning what now? Which one is when I'm ready to tell you where I'm coming from? I just told you what happened to me and you're locking the door. Please, I don't want problem, oh. I don't want to raise my voice.
Hey, just raise your voice now. Raise your voice, Muna. Raise your voice and say the truth. Yes, raise your voice and bring down this house. Nonsense. So you've been confusing me. No wonder you've been giving me breakfast on bed. Hey! So you will give me gifts, flowers, just to deceive me. You are a very wicked husband. Wicked husband. Enter your house now.
Come and open this door.
Enter your house. Come
and open this door.
No, enter now.
Come and open this door. FBI police held me. Come and open this door. I'll break this door.
Ben, I called you 3 times. Wherever you are, I arrest your spirit. From today henceforth, you will only love and respect me. You will not love any other woman. You will be under my control till the day you die. So shall it be.
IG,
What?
where do you think you're coming from?
And what kind of question is that? Is that how you're supposed to welcome your wife who you last saw since yesterday?
Ijoma, where did you sleep last night?
And I said, do not ask me such stupid questions. Are you deaf?
My love. My love.
What did you just call me?
I called you my love. Are you no longer my love? It's okay, it's okay. What can I prepare for you? I mean, what do you want to eat?
Me. IJ. Your love. What you will prepare for me. Okay. Tea and egg.
Tea and egg. What about blending it with bread? That will make it perfect.
Just get out and go and prepare what I asked you to. Because I am hungry.
It's okay, my love. But do you want it cold or hot?
Get out.
It's alright. I'll get out. It's okay. Oh, okay. Let me get out like you say.
Get out. Hey, come back here.
Her Majesty. Hey, just come back here. I'm here.
Untie my shoe. Fast.
Oh, with all pleasure, with all pleasure, with all pleasure, with all
Very
pleasure.
fast.
Oh, I don't know. So, Slipper, where do you keep your? You want to keep your foot on the ground?
Give me your slippers.
My oh my. Oh God. Oh, shh. Wow, 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 man. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Anything for love. Now I am getting out. Woo, hoo, hoo. Still giving me her bag. A designer's bag, man.
Keep them where they should.
With our pleasure.
Well arranged.
Oh, my love.
And get me easy wear.
Anything.
Hey, cold water first.
Cold water. Consider it done.
See, I don't like this thing. Huh?
You want to make me raise my voice? This is not nice, though. I was trying to explain what happened to you. You didn't even let me talk. You started accusing me. Why would you accuse me now? Okay, fine. I am going to tell you what happened again. On my way coming back home peacefully, police arrested me for no just cause. They accused me of being a Yahoo boy. And when they were about taking me away, one woman came and told them not to, that she knows me. Why they freed me? I was about leaving. Then the DPO said, no, that this boy is a Yahoo boy. They must arrest him. That was how they took me to police station. Before I could say Jack, they've thrown me inside a cell. Please. Even the codo that beats me there is not what I will explain to you now. The only thing I want now is to just go inside, take my bath, and go to work. Please.
Muna, you are evil. You are a liar and a cheat.
I'm a liar and a cheat.
You are a liar. Until you tell me where you're coming from, I will know. You see this kid? I will know.
Do you want me to give you the DPO's number? Oh. No, let me just give you the DPO's number for peace to reign. Let me just, you can ask him. DPO. Please, just give me the key. Let me just go, please.
Muna, you are a big liar. You are a cheat.
Is there a need to prove a point? Well, there's no need to prove that point. Please, I need to give me this.
Hey, don't touch me, oh. Don't touch me, oh. Hey, let me not unleash this anger on you. Don't touch me. Stop this rubbish, oh.
I need to take my bath. Just give me the key, please. Please.
Muna, I don't want trouble. Muna, do not touch me. Do not touch me again, no.
Give me the key. Let me go and freshen up.
Please. Should give you key. I should give you this key. As what?
They dealt with me inside the cell.
Oh, they've not finished dealing with you.
You
need to return back there. Let them finish what they started with you. Rubbish. Hey, see, stop this rubbish, Muna. Stop it, oh. Do not take my calmness for stupidity. Else, you will regret it.
Give me the key.
What could be keeping him?
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
What's the meaning of this, Ben?
Yeah, I want to fry the egg and the bread outside. Woo.
Ben?
Yes, baby.
Are you all right?
Is anything wrong if I prepare a delicious meal for my wife?
What's the meaning of this, Ben?
We mew. You just watch me. Watch me prepare the meal. No.
Ben, stop.
Ben can't stop anything now. Ben has to prepare a meal for you.
Ben, can you stop? I don't know. You shouldn't just... I just hope it's not what I'm thinking. Please stop.
Just watch me.
Ben, stop.
Watch me prepare it.
Don't...
Yeah.
Ben, please stop. I don't...
What is it? Huh? What happened? Why are you roaming like in the street and shouting? What's wrong with you? Huh? What's wrong with you? DJ, talk to me. What is it? What is it now? Talk to me.
My husband is dead. Huh? My husband is dead.
Your husband is dead? What happened? What happened, DJ? Hey, Jesus. Oh my God. What happened? What happened now? What happened? What do you mean your husband is? Talk to me, DJ.
Listen, I was deceived.
You were deceived by who? DJ, talk to me. What happened?
killed by a witch doctor. You see? I'm not supposed to say it, right? But it happened!
A witch doctor?
Yes, a witch doctor!
You visited a witch doctor?
Please, somebody help me!
You visited a witch
Somebody help me!
Wait, hold on, just hold on.
I'm
Stop,
losing
okay,
it.
I understand. Just calm
I'm
down.
losing it.
I understand now. I'm not judging you. I'm not
Somebody help
judging you.
me.
Wait, I'm not judging you. I am not judging you.
Somebody
I am
help
not judging you. EJ! Mama, I noticed this attitude a year ago. 3 different people has confronted me about this promiscuous attitude. But I chased them away. Mama, do you know that the lady I saw my husband with is a woman I respect so much?
Men, that is their nature. That is their nature. And I'm worried he gave me away. You and I cannot stop them. You know? You and I cannot stop them. The only thing that can stop a cheating husband is the grace of God. You know, go? So take care of yourself. Happier. Protect yourself. You know, go? You don't have to cry.
What do I do now, Mama? I do not want to confront her because of my safety, that of my son and my husband. Just like I cannot do anything.
Your safety first. You know, go? Your safety first. You don't have to confront her or fight her over your husband. Why are they very desperate? They are very desperate and can do anything to get someone else's husband. You know, go? So you don't have to confront her. Happier. Protect yourself, your husband and your son. You don't have to leave your home. Because if poor, she will pack in. And if you confront her or fight her, she might kill you and make your son a slave. So happier. You know, go? Happier, no. You understand? Oh? So you don't have to cry. Happier, just calm down. Oh? Nemo.
Hey! EJ! EJ!
I was actually coming to you. Chief Priest is dead.
Who is dead?
My husband. He started behaving like a madman. Then he ran into the street and a moving vehicle hit him.
Who killed him?
Who killed him? The jazz.
Did you apply it the way I told you?
Of course I did. I did everything you asked me to. You said I should call his name 3 times. I did. Then I said exactly the things you asked me to say words by words. I did everything. Then I blew it into the air.
Was he sleeping when you did it?
I am not sure. In fact, I don't know.
Stop lying.
What?
You did not follow the instruction.
I am not lying. I did everything you asked me to. I did it exactly the way you wanted me to.
Stop lying. You did not follow the instruction. I told you to do it in front of the door while he's asleep. Don't come to me again. Else, I will make you mad.
What? But I did what you asked me to. I did everything you asked me to. I did everything you asked me to. I said it was my word. Why are you walking away?
Ben is dead. EJ went to see a witch doctor.
This is Dubai, you remember?
Yes.
Remember when we went for car race?
Yes.
That's you?
Honey, your food is ready.
This is you?
Honey, I said your food is ready.
This is when...
Dad, your food is ready.
Okay, boy. I have to go to bed. I will see you tomorrow. Good night.
Is Dad angry?
No. Danny, your dad is not angry. You know, whenever he wants to take his drug, that's how he behaves. Okay, so let's go upstairs so you can sleep. Tomorrow is school.
Okay, Mom.
This thing you are doing is not fair. It's not fair. What if I deny you sex for cheating? How will you feel?
Please, I don't have time for this nonsense now. I want to sleep.
That's the only thing you know how to say. You don't have time for this rubbish. You don't have time for this nonsense. Eh? Is it because you think you're a man, that's why you can get away with anything?
Why can't I have peace in my own house? Do you want me to leave this house for you? No, if you want me to leave this house, fine, I will leave. Then you can stay.
There's no peace for the wicked. No peace for the wicked. You, Muna, you're a very wicked man. You even looked me at the face to lie to me. You lied to me. You lied.
Stay, okay? Let me go to the living room and see.
Okay, you are running. Eh? You are running. Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Lie. Nonsense. Okay, continue running. It's even better for me to go sleep in this position. After all, I've never slept in this position is nice.
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon.
We came looking for you last night, but you weren't around.
Hope there is no problem.
There is no problem. Your husband is alive.
What?
Yes. When we took him to the mortuary, the mortician confirmed that he's still alive. So he's in the hospital now.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Which hospital, please?
Just come with us. Okay?
Okay, hold on.
Nurse, she knows the man we brought here.
Madam, we have to go now. We'll come back later to your house to collect the money for the ambulance.
Okay, I will give you the money when you come to the house. Thank you very much.
Chike, let us go.
All right. Madam, we'll see you some other time.
God bless you.
All right.
Thank you. Please, how can
Just
I see
calm
my
down.
husband?
Are you his wife?
Yes, I am.
Okay, the doctor would like to have a word with you.
Okay, please.
Doctor, this is the wife of the man in Ward 3.
Madam, why did it take you this late to come?
No, I traveled to the village.
Your husband needs an urgent attention.
So we need to perform a surgery in his head to get rid of the clothing blood before it gets too late.
Surgery? Okay, doctor, please, you can start.
You have to deposit a sum of 200,000 naira.
What?
Yes, and that you should do it immediately. Do it immediately.
Doctor, please. Please.
I said you need to start. Get the money, then you start up.
Oh, doctor, hold on. Okay, I'll get the money. Just start. I don't want my husband to die. Let me go and look for the money.
It depends on you.
I'm supposed to raise 200,000. Ada. Ada. Ada, please open. Ada, please, I need your help. Please. I'm begging you, I need your help urgently.
EJ, if you are here because you want me to go and bear you witness before his people that you know nothing about his death, I am not available.
That's not it, Ada. That's not it. My husband survived it. He's alive.
Huh?
Yes, my husband is alive. But he's having internal bleeding and the doctor said he needs urgent surgery. Ada, Biko, I'm begging you. Biko. Ada, please. Don't say no, please.
Please, EJ, I don't have any money.
Ada.
I don't have money.
Ada. Please. I know I've wronged you, but please. Ada, Biko. I don't want to lose my husband. I don't want my husband to die, Ada, please. I'm begging you as my good friend. Ada, please. Ada, you're my last hope. Please just help me. Whatever it is you can raise, anything at all, let me make deposit first. Then I can run around and complete it. I'm begging you. Ada.
It's okay. It's okay, I've heard you.
Thank you.
My very good friend.
Good day, Joanne. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you. Please sit, let me get you something.
Oh no, don't bother yourself. I was actually on my way to my son's school. I want to pick him up. Then I decided to say hello since I was passing by.
Oh man, that was very thoughtful of you. So, how are you, your son, and your husband?
They are fine. Are you okay?
Yes.
You sure?
Yeah, sure.
Don't worry. Let me just be on my way now. I'll come back now. I have gist for you.
Gist?
Yes, so gist.
Really? Okay, I'll be waiting to hear.
Are you sure you are okay?
Sure, fine. Perfectly okay. Trust me. Thank you.
Take care, bye.
Bye. What the heck is going on?
What I saw today should not be what I am thinking. Is she pregnant for Mona? No. Who is responsible for her pregnancy? Because she looks pregnant. Well, she's not pregnant. No, she's pregnant. Is Mona responsible? Ada, calm down. Calm down. Your husband is not responsible for her pregnancy. Hi! Ijoma warned me. Ijoma warned me, but I will not listen. I didn't listen to her. With this my coconut head, I did not listen to her. Now see where it has landed me.
Ada, so now here you dating is the spoil for you, Abi? Eh?
What is it? Why are you looking so scared? What is it? What is it?
What I saw is enough to get you scared.
What is it? What did you see?
Where is your husband?
Ha! Hey, did you say where's my husband?
Hey!
My husband, what happened to my husband? What? Hey! That's, hey! Oh God, I don't know. I beg God that nothing should happen to you. What did I do to these people? I told them, oh God, what did the accident happen? No! Please, hey, please.
Ada, stop it! Ada, can you just calm down?
No, what is it?
Calm down and listen to me.
What's the problem?
Your husband is okay.
Then if my husband is okay, what is it?
Listen. Okay, just listen. You know this thing called marriage, it's good that you remain wise and keep your eyes open.
My eyes are open. What is it?
Your eyes are open. Where is your husband?
Stop doing this to me now. My husband is in the shop. He should be in the shop now.
What shop?
What's going on?
Man, can anyone even trust these people? Listen, these people called men are dogs. Not even a single of them is innocent.
My husband cannot cheat on me. My husband, the man I married, he can never, ever cheat on me. And wait, and if he does, how do I stop him from cheating?
How? You're saying it like you're so sure that the man you married cannot cheat on you. Are you sure about that?
Very sure.
Well, that's your business. As for me, my husband did that once. And guess what? I dealt with him severely. Oh, yes, I did. You will never imagine, right? Okay. I got fresh pepper, those big ones. Pounded it with my own hands. Do you know what? I used it to roughly massage his manhood. Yes.
You massaged your husband, Didi, with pepper. And he did not do anything to you.
What do you expect a man that is in pain to do? What exactly? I did what I did and I am not ashamed of it.
And he did not do anything to you?
What do you expect him to do? Like I ask again. Listen, that is not enough. I locked him outside till the next day. Since then, my husband has never cheated on me. Never again. He respects me till date. In fact, he pampers me. So you should do something about your own. But you shouldn't just walk out calmly like that. It's not right.
Honey. Baby. What are you doing here? You okay?
I'm fine.
So what are you doing here?
Nothing. Just relaxing.
Okay, I was waiting for you in the bedroom. Let's go to bed.
No, honey, I'm not feeling sleepy now. I just want to sit here and relax. I'm trying to meditate on something.
Meditate on what?
Some pressing issues, like personal issues.
That you don't want to share with me?
No, it's nothing, honey. Go to bed. I'll join you very soon.
Okay. I'll be in the room waiting for you, yeah?
The way he's walking, his movements looks like someone that is responsible for that pregnancy. Ada, stop. Ada, stop. It's not.
Oh my God. Honey. My love, please. My love, please. Don't do this. Don't do this.
How old is the pregnancy?
Baby, please. Calm down. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know, please. Please. Please, my love. Drop the knife. Please, don't do this.
How could you do such a thing to me? How could you do such a thing to me? How?
Please. Please, my love, please.
You!
Hey.